Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Namdi Konu. We also vehemently reject any activity of the evil beast, the commander-in-chief of Gunmen in exile, a self-acclaimed prime terrorist, who specialized in kidnapping innocent people in Biafra land in the name of IPOB. The prime terrorist has came up heavily to send precautions to anybody that should go against Fulani herdsmen. He is a terrorist. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
So you voted and you worked for Peter Obi, and you are one of those who won against Bola Tinubu. But now you're one of those who is saying, oh yeah, you got what you deserve, those who voted. But either you voted or you did not vote. We have a president, isn't it?
No,
but
we don't.
We do have a president.
No, you have a president. I don't have a president.
What do you mean? You are a citizen of Nigeria and you reside here.
I'm a citizen of Nigeria. I reside here, but we have an illegitimate president, someone who rigged his way into office. It's like if there's a military coup, are you going to sit down and accept that, oh, you have a president because someone, there was a military coup?
But
this is a political coup.
You cannot say that because you do not have evidence.
Aisha Yusufu can and have said that Nigeria does not have a president. What we have is someone who rigged his way into office, who is illegitimately occupying
the court does not agree with your position.
The court that has been captured can do whatever it wants to do, and that's why there's no respect for it. And that's why you have governors, coming out to thank a Tinubu when the judgment goes their way. So the fact that we have a captured judiciary and whatever, Aisha Yusufu, and I say it without mincing word, I don't put water for my mouth, there's no precedent in Nigeria.
There's a president, Bola Tinubu, factually.
The former governor of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, yes, is illegitimately occupying an office he shouldn't. And I've said it. You have your opinion, should I have my own? So why does he have to?
No, there is a fact. There's a fact, there is an opinion.
No, then go ahead with your own fact. This is mine. This is my reality. And I'm telling you, Nigeria doesn't have.
Why is it difficult for you to accept that?
Why should I accept
in the next 4 years?
It's no, hold on, Sheun. Someone comes to my house, steals my car, take it away, repaints it, and you're telling me that I have to accept it because it's been repainted and you have gotten papers for it.
You cannot prove that.
The proven or not the proven, that's not the point. This is what I'm saying to you, Sheun. This is Aisha telling you that Nigeria does not have a president. If you, Sheun, believes that Nigeria has a president, go ahead. Who is stopping you?
Oh no, well, I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this, anybody involved. I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want it. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it will soon end.